Are you ready to unlock the secret to making money on Pinterest through affiliate marketing? In this video, I'm about to reveal 2 powerful techniques that will skyrocket your clicks and your income, even if you're starting off as a brand new account. So you won't want to miss out on this opportunity to monetize your Pinterest presence. Hi, my name is Brittany, and this is my channel, Making Money with Mama, where I teach you how to make a full-time income on part-time hours utilizing affiliate marketing and other different side hustle strategies that I have formulated over the past year to start generating 6 figures online. Now, affiliate marketing on Pinterest is one of the most underrated yet highly effective strategies that you can use to boost your income from home, just working your part-time hours, okay? I do all my work as a stay-at-home mom to 2 very young children who are always up my little butt, and I am still managing to make a full-time income doing this. So you can actually start making money with Pinterest right away. You don't have to grow this huge following. All you have to do is understand a little bit of search engine optimization, and I'm going to show you one of the strategies I use to make money online with Pinterest affiliate marketing, which is called Pinterest tagging. So let's clarify, what does tagging on Pinterest really mean? Think about when you're writing like an Instagram caption and you can tag like a brand, and an end user can click that little hyperlink and it'll take them to that Instagram page. But you can tag very specific products on your Pinterest pin. So people see your pin, they see the image, they can click it, it creates a shoppable image that is affiliated with your affiliate link, and then you get commissions if the end user chooses to purchase. Now, I know this might sound a little bit confusing, but if you know anything about me, you know I like to break everything down step by step and try and make it completely as dummy proof as I can. I'm gonna walk you through a tutorial in just a minute, but just to start visualizing it, okay? Imagine you have a blog and you are posting about these amazing summer finds for your beach vacation. You can create a pin that has all the pictures of the certain products that you talk about within your blog post, and then tag the products on the actual pin itself. So not only can they choose to go to the blog post and read about what you've written and click affiliate links that way, but you can also create a pin that has 5 or 6 of the images that you're talking about in your blog post, have it be a shoppable pin so that people can just click the pin, the different products show up, they can just click the product and it'll take them to that end product where they can purchase it and you get paid out. So let's move on to how we do it, right? Okay, so let's walk through an example in real time. I am deciding to do a Pinterest pin on things to buy a new mom, specifically gifts for new moms, especially because Christmas is coming up. So not only are people looking for Christmas gift ideas for new moms, but it also stands the test of time because people are usually always looking for something to gift a new mom, you know, just kind of as a reward, something practical or something helpful for them for their great big journey into motherhood through pregnancy and childbirth, and heck, they deserve a gift, right? So let's get into it. First, we're going to go into Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, please sign up. I have a 30-day free pro trial. If you want to check out the pro version, it's totally worth it. I have been buying it for years. I really think it is absolutely an amazing tool to have. I use it for everything. So we are going to go in here and type in Pinterest pin and you can pick a template, but I usually just go with something blank. So I'm gonna hit create blank template. So it brings me to a blank Pinterest pin, and I can go ahead and add some text. All you do is hit this text over to the sidebar here, and you can click and you can write, you know, new mom gifts. And I like to change things around. I like to change colors. I like to make it, you know, very appealing because Pinterest is a visual platform, so you want to make sure it looks super visually appealing. There we go. And we can stretch it out. We can change the font around. We can change the color around. And you know what? Actually, I'm going to add a little background. I can go to elements and I can type in new mom. And I usually like to add like a super subtle image in the background. So like this cute little holding hands. You know, let me delete that. I'm gonna push it, put it like that. And then you can turn down the transparency like way down because we're gonna have product images on top. But it's just something to have like a little something in the background that represents like what you're talking about, okay? So I'm gonna fast forward here for a minute. And we can see this is what I have set up. I have new mom gifts in big, bright, bold fonts so that it really catches the user's attention when they're scrolling. And then I have just a little more descriptive text on the bottom that says meaningful and practical gifts for new moms. Now, when I go over to Amazon over here, I created a whole storefront for this because I'm going to continue to make more pins off of this topic. But just to make things go faster, let's say I really like this diaper bag, or you know what, I really like this necklace. It's a personalized necklace, which I think is super cute for new moms. I can go over, click copy image, and then go back over into Pinterest and paste it into here. Now I can go over to this edit photo and hit background remover, so that way basically there won't be this big white box that's just visual, you know. I can overlap images if I want. It just makes it so much easier to work with when you remove the background. And I can move this around like this and kind of make that around. And you can see I've kind of uploaded some of the other things. Again, you could upload this diaper bag, edit photo, background remover. What also I love about the Canva Pro account, not only can you do the background remover, but say we want to make this a little more enhanced, we can go over to shadows and just give it a little bit of depth. See how it adds just a little bit of depth? I think that's so cool. It makes it look like I actually took a photo of this, right? And makes it pop out a little more at you. So that's another reason why I just love Canva Pro, okay? Go around and position it and put things different places, and you're going to do that with all the images that you've collected that you want to add to your little guide and the products that you want to tag, okay? So your end result will look something like this: new mom gifts, meaningful and practical gifts for new moms, and then I have 6 cute products that I can tag that are kind of a variety, okay? I have a necklace, I have diaper bag, I have a nursing bra that looks, you know, more womanly than the typical, you know, ugly nursing bras, because you know I wanted to still feel like a little bit of a woman when I was nursing my baby. You know, some products to take care of their skin, you know, some representation, something funny. And I have all of this ready to go, and I'm going to hit share, download, done. And this is going to download. And once it downloads, I'm going to change the file name of the Pinterest pin to Gifts for New Moms, just to add a little bit of that keyword within the metadata of the pin. I don't necessarily know if it makes a tremendous difference, but I always think it's a best practice just to have that extra SEO when you're uploading pins to Pinterest, because Pinterest is a search engine, so it is going to rank your pins based off of how well you are putting in keywords that people are searching for in your pin titles, descriptions, metadata, etc. So I can bring this down here. Oops. I'm going to do gifts for new moms pin and enter. Okay, now we're going to go over to Pinterest, and we are going to hit this little menu button here, and we're going to select create pin. We are going to drag the pin we just created, and there we have such a beautiful pin. I just love it. Okay. So now we see this little tag button. We're going to hit tag products and hit this little plus sign. Now this is where we're going to hit URL, and we are going to paste in our affiliate link. So if we go back over to Amazon, if we are in the Amazon affiliate program, which if you are not already, I highly recommend you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, because it is so easy to tag Pinterest pins with the Amazon affiliate program. But you can do this with a lot of other affiliate programs that sell physical products as well. You're not limited to just Amazon. So on the product page, if you're in an Amazon affiliate, you have this Amazon Associates site stripe that you can hit get link, text, and copy that over here. And we're going to bring it back to the Pinterest pin. We're going to paste in our Amazon affiliate link. And there's the product. We can tag it. And then we can add another one. So we can go back. What else did I put on there? I put on that pink backpack. Text. We can paste that in. Select. And you would do that for all of the products that you have listed on your Pinterest pin. For now, I'm just going to do the 2 products, and we're going to hit Save Products. And you can see here now they show up right next to the pin. We're going to hit Done. So now in the title and description, you're going to want to add keywords that people are searching for on Pinterest, so that way your pin will be seen, be ranked at the top of search. So you can do that by going over to Pinterest, going to your home feed. You can type in the search bar, gifts for new mom. And you can see all the different things that are auto-generating. These are going to be great search terms to use within your title and description because it is what is getting the most search value, and that's why it's auto-populating, right? So if I click gifts for new mom, you can also see there's some other keywords listed here at the top. You can see kind of maybe what other people are putting in their titles and descriptions and use that kind of as for some inspiration as well. But I don't always like to do that because sometimes people have promoted their pins for a long time or something, and maybe that's why they have some visibility. And I like to stick with the all organic approach. So I like sticking to the search bar method, or you can go to Pinterest and you can go to create campaign. You're not actually going to create a campaign, and I have a whole entire Pinterest affiliate marketing video that you can check out here that literally walks through this much slower and in much more depth. I would highly recommend checking it out if you haven't checked it out already. Okay, so you would select consideration campaign and just hit continue. Targeting strategy, find new customers, and then you would go to this interest and keyword section, hit the down arrow, and you would go to add keywords, and you could type in new mom and see what pops up. So you have new mom quotes, new mom outfits, new mom's tips, new mom necklace. That's actually a good one to use since we actually have a photo of a new mom necklace in our pin. So you can do all the keyword research that way and make sure you have a highly optimized pin, title, and description. So we put new mom gifts, and I don't know why my desktop does this. There's some sort of glitch with my desktop, probably because it's ancient. It's like 12 years old. Yeah, this has just started happening recently. I don't know why. So ignore the double text. New mom's gift. Gifts for new moms. So you could write something like, in this gift guide for new moms, we will cover the best postpartum gifts for new moms, along with personalized gifts for mom, and da 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 da. You would have the product links here, and I actually did create a blog post for this as well. So I can go over to my blog post that I made on medium.com. It's a free blogging software. You can write articles. Again, this is all in my Pinterest affiliate marketing video that walks through everything step by step, so it's not so fast and already done. So I have the top 10 thoughtful and practical gifts for new mom. I have this whole blog post. There's the necklace that I just had tagged in there. So basically you have two ways of converting people over to make a sale, right? You have a blog post for people that actually want to read a guide on fun gifts to get a new mom, and you also have the instant gratification people that just see a pin, see the picture, and want to be taken right to that image or right to that end product. So I'm going to copy this link here and go back to my Pinterest page and paste that link in there. I can save it to one of my bajillion mom boards, but I'm going to do new mom, and then you would hit publish. So here's one that I've done previously. I did pumpkin mugs, the cutest pumpkin mugs find. I did this when it was Halloween time, and you can scroll down and you can see here are all the linked products that I had tagged in my Pinterest pin. So that's how it looks when someone comes across this pin, and they can be like, oh, I love this Happy Halloween black, like jack-o'-lantern, genie in a bottle type thing. I love that mug. And they can scroll down, they can be like, oh, here it's tagged, and they can be taken right to where they can purchase it. So they click that link, and here it is, my Amazon link. And if they were to add to cart and buy it, I would get paid commission. So that's how it works. Now, if that first strategy didn't work for you, or for some reason you're getting some sort of error, Pinterest isn't having it that day, that's okay. There's a second way we can tag products as well, and that's going to be by creating a tagged product individually. Now, this is how we're going to do that. Say we have this necklace here, we are going to click it and we're going to save it. And then we're going to go over to our Pinterest. We're going to hit the menu option and hit create pin. We are going to add the standalone product, and then we are going to give it a quick title, go back over and get our affiliate link from Amazon, tag the product, gonna hit save product, done, and publish to tagged products. Now this only seems to work if you've already been able to accomplish tagging products in previous posts. So you want to save it to products you've tagged and hit publish. So that way when you come back over here and you hit this tag products, you can hit the plus sign again where it says your pins. We're going to drop down to all pins and select the product that you just tagged, hit save product, and you would do that for all the individual products that you've created. Hit done. Again, give yourself a title, give yourself a description. One thing I forgot to mention previously is you want to disclose that you are an affiliate. You cannot post pins to Pinterest without disclosing that you are an affiliate in the description. It's against their terms of service and they will ban your account. I want to be very clear about that. So make sure you put, affiliate links included, something of the sort, so that Pinterest identifies that you are disclosing that you are an affiliate and earn commission off of these pins. And then hit publish. And let's give it a second. And then there you have it. You have your pin along with the tagged products. And again, you would want to do that for every product that you created. Along with having a blog post, it really helps. So there you have it. That's how you tag products on Pinterest so that people can be directed right to an affiliate link from your Pinterest. I hope you found that helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and a like so that way I can keep creating free content and just have YouTube pay me instead of having to charge you for courses, right? It really helps me out and it helps all the people that are trying to learn this information out by pushing me up in the algorithm. So I greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.